This is the PX4 dev kit X500 version 2. This is Pixox 6C. And this is the telemetry radio which communicates with the ground control station.
The drone does not have a GPS on it, so all the coordinates of it are coming from the VIO pipeline itself. You can see as the drone is moving, we can already see the trajectory of the drone in the ground station. This is usually available to us with the help of GPS, but here we are getting all the coordinates through the VIO.
Whenever I pull or push the drone from its position, it again goes back to the initial position by the VIO pose estimation.
I think the mentorship that we get here at the Yantra is not that we can get anywhere else, because the passionate people that we have in robotics and different fields are all the people from all parts of the country at a single place. Any doubt that you have regarding robotics and that can be solved here. Any passionate robotics person can come here to elevate their level. The Yantra internship has opened new horizons for me. Every potential error that we face in a real life can be turned into a startup. So there's immense opportunities out there. It is only waiting for the person to come and solve it. So I think this thing has been inculcated in me by the Yantra. Only before that, I used to think that everyone has to get a job and then do 9 to 5 job. Even the idea that every problem has a solution and it is just waiting to be solved. Even an internship in big companies will not teach you that much that you can gain here. You might change the direction of your career. From the RTI workshop, we learned that मेरा भारत देश महान नहीं है, पर इसमें दोष मेरा है. It is just a very deep line that the problem that are in the nation, that it is not another one's responsibility, it is our responsibility. And the sustainability workshop is also like one of a kind, because the opportunities that are everywhere around us, even the trash that we have in the dustbin, can be turned into something else that can be sold. It gives us a lens through which we see the world in different colors. I always thought that what is the use of complex numbers in real life, and how are they even related in the real world? They are just in the imaginary world. After doing the mathematics part that is required in our project, then I have learned that everything in this world that is in the mathematical world can be implemented in the real world, and vice versa. Everything in the real world it's just a kind of a simulation of the mathematical world only. So I think it just develops more interest in the mathematics and the concepts which we are studying.
I specifically didn't study integrals and derivatives that much, but when I came here for internship, the equations which we were planning to solve were actually the partial derivatives of different state spaces in our equation of the drone. I didn't had any interest in solving these equations because I didn't find a specific application. But when I came for the internship here and worked on this project, I understood the application and basically got to know the meaning of this equation. Limits are everything that you set by yourself. If you take part in any activity of Yantra, so they make you cross those limits that you are thinking you could do. Basically, the level of projects that is to be done here in 7 weeks of time, this is very undoable for a normal human being. But once you come here and get a crisp idea of the project from the skilled mentors, then it doesn't feel like it's undoable. By the end of the time, you will train yourself in such a way that you are able to achieve unbelievable heights.